Inbox or conversations. Conversations is a messaging tool that works like an email application. It's restricted to members of the course, instructors, students, and anyone else involved with the course. It facilitates communication between instructors and students. Messages received in conversations will also be sent to your college email. They will also be sent to your personal email if you added it in settings. You can reply to conversation messages directly from your college email. To open the inbox, click Inbox on Global Navigation. Parts of the inbox. You can view messages for all your courses, or if you click to open the menu, you can select a course to view messages just for that course. In Global Navigation, where the Inbox button is, if you see a green circle with a number in it, that indicates that you have new messages that have not been read. A red dot on a message in the inbox indicates that it is an unread message. Like an email program, Conversations, or your inbox, has folders. There's the inbox folder, unread, stored, sent, archived, submission comments. And you can click here to open that menu. When you click on a message here in the inbox on the left side, the message opens up on the right side, and the contents of your message appears here. The sender's name and the recipient's name appears here too. Again, all your messages will appear in a list here on the left side of the inbox. Other parts of the inbox. To compose a new message, click this icon on the toolbar toward the right side of the conversation screen. To reply to a message, click here. To reply to all, click this button. If you wanted to archive a message, you would click here. To delete a message, click here. And if you click here, it'll open a menu that says Mark as unread, forward, or star. You can also reply to a message by clicking this arrow here. And if you click here, this menu will open up that has reply all, forward, archive, star, and delete. This button here provides the address book for the class. And if you wanted to search for a recipient, someone in your class, you could type in their name or part of their name here. To compose a new message, click the Compose a New Message button, and then you must select a course for the person you're sending the message to. So click in the course box to open the menu for your courses and select the course. And then you need to select a recipient, someone who is getting this message. So you have a couple of options here. One option is to click the address book button all the way on the right side of the to box. And when you do that, a small menu will open and it will show teachers, students, it may show something else, but anyway, select the category to which the recipient belongs and a list of names will appear. Select the recipient and his or her name will then appear in the to box. The other option is, if you know the first and or last name or part of the first or last name of the recipient, you can begin typing it in the to box here. And as you type, a list of names will appear and you may then select the name of the recipient and the entire name will appear in the to box. The next step would be to type a subject. It's not required to type a subject, but it's a good idea. You then must type some kind of message. It is required. If you try to send your message without putting in a subject, it will not allow you to send. So put a subject in. If you wanted to attach a file saved on your computer, you could click here to attach, and you could click this button over here if you wanted to attach an audio or video file from your computer flash drive, or if you wanted to record an audio or video file right in Canvas. Once your message is ready to send, the last step is to click the send button and your message will get sent.